Hey up future guitarists, today I just want to show you some basic stuff which you can try and understand if you like to play on guitar or not, or see how easy is it and just can like inspire and carry on. Or if you're not a beginner, just can have a look and see maybe it's something new for you. Why not? Okay, let's go. So we're gonna begin with very simple things. This is strings, and strings is here is 6 strings. If it's classic guitar or acoustic guitar, it's like first string is on the bottom, tiny one, and 6 on the top. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, third and fourth string together, like this. Just by 2 fingers in the same time, and you're doing this stuff. This is frets, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I don't know, okay. When I will see 0, it's open strings, like you're not pushing anything here, just like this. And next one will be 3, it's just here, like 1, 2, 3. You're pushing 2 strings. You can push it by 2 fingers, but I'm pushing just like 1 finger. Okay, what we're gonna do, like 0, 3, 5. Just these 2 strings. Again. Can just push 1 finger. Yeah. Next part will be like 0, 3. It's a tricky one. 6, 5. Quick. Okay, let's together from beginning. Let's slowly again. And last part is 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Let's connect it and have some like melodic riff. Congratulations. Let's do it slowly with me. So it was first easiest riff on acoustic guitar. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for my channel. I will really appreciate it. This riff called Smoke on the Water, Deep Purple. Follow my channel for next tutorials and tell me in comments what you would like to learn in next. See you!